Hi developers out there, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Composer, a tool for dependency management in PHP on Windows 10, and also I will show you how to install Laravel 9, the foremost PHP framework on Windows 10. So let's start. So as you can see here, I have a Composer website loaded my browser. So you too can go to getcomposer.org. And when you load the website on your browser, then you come to this download button, click on it. Then you click on download and run Composer, this executable file format here. So I click on it to start downloading. So as you can see here, I've successfully downloaded Composer on my local machine. Then I go to the folder where it is downloaded. So I click on this show in folder. Then I can now right click on the download, then run as administrator. Then I click on yes. Then the install for all users recommended, I click on it. Then I click on next, then next, then next. Since I don't have any procedure URL, then I click on next, then I click on install. I click on next, then finish. So now, how do I know if my Composer is installed globally? All I need to do is to go to CLI and type Composer in version, then hit the enter key and see I have a version 2.3.10 installed. So if I should go to another directory or folder, let's say cd document, for instance, cd document, then I repeat Composer hyphen version again. You can see I can access it here also. If I should go to, let's say, Lenovo, for instance, then to users directory, for instance, and I still repeat it, Composer hyphen version, and see, I can also access it if any folder is there. Then let me try another level lower also. Let me say CD, and let me repeat the Composer. It's also, you can see I can also access it there. Let me go to my workspace, for instance. There, I click it. Then let me to type a Composer hyphen version. I can also access it there also. So anywhere, any folder, any directory in my local machine, so it's easily accessible. So I can access my Composer anywhere on the local machine. So that is it on how to install Composer on Windows 10 globally. Then the next thing we want to do now is installing our Laravel, the foremost PHP framework, Laravel 9. Alright, to install Laravel 9, the first thing I need to do is to go to my workspace. So inside my workspace here, let me just create a new folder called blog. Then I will go to CLI, then navigate to the workspace and my project directory. So I will say cd, then cd workspace, cd blog. Okay, having done that, then I can now say Composer 8 project Laravel /Laravel hyphen then caret 9.0, and let me call the project name to be blog project, and I hit the enter key. So as you can see, our Laravel project 9.0 is being created using a Composer. So here now, let me navigate to blog project folder first, blog project. Alright, then I can now say PHP save. Alright, let me localhost 8,000 rather.